क्या
Can you all go on mute? Please turn on the cameras. I request all the candidates to please turn on the cameras. I see a lot of people off camera. Can you all please turn on the camera?
तो उसको तू भेज दियो रॉक्सी बोलता है बीमार्ट है बीमार्ट का शोरूम
All the
तो अभी
candidates
उसमें
who all
रख
are here
लेंगे
in the
अभी
session
दिवाली का
would
टाइम
request
आ
you
रहा
all to please turn on the camera because without
है
camera we're not
20-25 दिन के
supposed
लिए
to have any
रखेंगे
sort of interactions with any of the candidates.
दिवाली के टाइम में लड़कों की जरूरत रहती है सिक्योरिटी गार्ड नहीं सेल कपड़ों का शोरूम है वो कपड़ों के उसी में डीमार्ट रॉक्सी बोलता है काउंटर पे दे दिए मैनेजर होगा वो मैनेजर का असिस्टेंट होगा वो ले लेगा रिज्यूम वगैरह
मांगी है क्या
हाँ रिज्यूम मांगेगा
और क्या मांगी
रिज्यूम मांगेगा बस और बाद में डॉक्यूमेंट
Soumya,
चाहिए
can you
होंगे तो वो
please go
बता
on
देगा
mute? Guys, please go on mute and please turn on the cameras. See a lot of candidates off camera. Can you please switch on the camera? Soumya, please go on mute. Soumya, please do not unmute yourself. All the candidates who all are here, quickly turn on the cameras. I really don't want to take the names. Sheikh Nafiz, Suresh, Samaira, Shweta Sinha, Akhil, Tulsi Rao, Swapna, Mahendra, Swapna, Kunal, Gautam,
कैमरा चालू कर दो
Rahman.
दीप तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा है
Guys,
सब खाने में
please
फोकस
turn on your cameras. Kartik Mishra.
काजू खा रहे हैं ये कैसे
Soumya, you're not visible in the camera. I want you to be visible
उसका
in the
यही
camera.
काम है
उसका यही है राहुल भी है
Alright, hi everybody. Nidima here from hiring team. I will just give you a short briefing about the process. This opening is for Ahmedabad Gandhinagar. Okay, and we are looking for people who are complete graduates. This is for 5 days working from office for Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad. And you'll be having rotational shifts and rotational off. You'll be working for 5 days straight from the office. You'll have 2 days off. Okay? You'll have rotational shifts and rotational off. I'll just paste a link in the chat box. People who are from any other location which is from the south region basically, please fill the form. All the candidates who all are here, every single candidate, please fill the form. And this is again specifically for two languages. We are specifically looking for Hindi and English both. Okay, so Hindi on a proficient basis, English as well on a proficient basis. You should be comfortable and flexible in reading, writing, speaking and comprehending as well. Would request candidates to fill the form in case if you're looking for any specific location which is for Hyderabad or anything as such, you guys can fill the form and log off from the meeting. And people who are okay and staying nearby to Ahmedabad or okay in being in Hyderabad or still relocating nearby to regions, then you can stay in this meeting. Naveen? Yes, this is for only Ahmedabad. Naveen, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Naveen, you are from which location?
Hyderabad, ma'am.
Naveen, I would request you to fill the form and you can log off.
कहाँ थे आप पीछे
No, मैं already filled up, ma'am.
पीछे नहीं आगे
Yeah, if you fill the form, then you can log out
आगे बैठ
from the
जाओ
meeting.
यार ये बोर्ड क्यों इस तरह क्यों रखा है ये कौन सा
No intent for
ये
the
बता
Hyderabad
नहीं जिसने
location.
ये उठा
Hyderabad location, we do have openings. We will be reaching out to you via call or via emails. The
अरे
team
वो है
will be reaching out
स्टैंड
to
ये
you
मैं
with the
समझ गया
openings that
इधर
we
आप
have. We have
कॉर्नर में ले
openings for Noida, we have openings for Kolkata, we have openings for Hyderabad as well. So in case if you put down your specific location over there, it will be easy for us to reach out to you if we have openings for that particular location. Please do not write anything, Karan. You're not supposed to write anything in the chat box. I'm here to answer every question. In case if you have doubts, there's an icon over there called
अब
raise
गोलू
hand.
जो
You
गया
can click on
यहीं
that
से
and raise your hand. I'll call out the names and
अरे
then
यहीं
I'll
से जाओ तो
clarify
बता
all the
देना
doubts in case if you have. Please do
आओ
not put down any of your text or chat in the
अरे
chat
दीपक
box.
जी आइए बैठिए
मैं already filled the form in the
I'm
chat
sharing
box.
the form link again for the reference. Would
मीटिंग चल
request you
रही
all
है
to please
बैठो
fill the form.
मीटिंग चल रही
I will reach out to
है मीटिंग
everybody.
चल रही
Please hold on. I'll call
ऑनलाइन
out the
चल
names.
रही है
Just
उसकी
hold on. Naveen, did you
मीटिंग
fill the
बढ़िया
form?
भाई
Yes,
काम
ma'am.
लेना क्यों ऐसे
Please,
काम करेगा
please
मीटिंग
leave the
में
meeting.
अरे तो
How can I
ऐसा कुछ नहीं
know
होता
when
भाई
you can reach out?
I will be reaching out once I'm done with all this
मीटिंग कहाँ चालू
candidates.
करी
I
है
will be
यार
reaching
तुमने
out to
लाइट
you. Do
नहीं है
not
भाई
worry. You
साहब
will get mails from the team. Okay?
लाइट नहीं है पता है
Miss
आपको
walk in or what chal raha hai again?
We will
बहुत देर
let
से
you know
लाइट
that
नहीं
even if we have virtual, we'll let you know the meeting
है
ID,
मुझे
the
नहीं लगता
time
कि
and
लाइट
everything. If we have it walk-in, we'll let
हाँ
you know
मैंने लग
that.
जा रहे हैं काफ़ी कि अपने घर चले जाएं हम लोग भी अभी चले जाएंगे
So Saksham, we have openings in Noida, Delhi as well. So you are looking for Ahmedabad or you're looking for Noida then?
क्यों सर है ना जैसे ये निकलेंगे वैसे हम लोग भी निकल जाएंगे नो
Okay, so right now you want to apply for
मैं
Ahmedabad
तो
or
सोने का
you're
दिल कर रहा
okay
है सही
for
कह रहा हूँ
Noida? Give me one
कोई
particular
नीली वाला
answer so that
चद्दर उठा लिया
accordingly I'll
घर को
take
भी
the
अंदर से
decision.
लॉक
गर्मी तो पड़ रही है ऐसा कैसा हुआ
भाई मैं तो सो जाता हूँ नींद आती मैं कहीं भी मैं घर में भी नहीं देखता फिर
Sorry, I can't hear you.
मैं एक दिन बस में था
Okay, so
पास
you
वाली
want
आंटी
you are
बैठी
looking
हुई
for
नींद आ
Noida,
गई
right?
उनको ये मैं ये नहीं होता भाई मैं उनके कंधे पर ही सारे के सो रहा हूँ
You
वो
can
तो
leave
आंटी
the
अच्छी थी
meeting
बोली
then.
अरे बेटा
Saksham,
कोई
thank
आदमी
you.
सो जा हाँ बैठ जाओ नहीं सर सच में
Priyanka,
मुझे पता नहीं चलता भाई कब सो गया
I'm looking Bangalore
वो
location.
तो अच्छी
did
सज्जन
you fill the
महिला
form?
थी वरना कोई और होती जो थी
Thank you so much.
क्या
You
कर
can
रहे
leave from the meeting. We will reach out to you.
हैं जैसे मैंने वो बताया दिल्ली वो
Thank you.
कहाँ का हाँ ये दिल्ली में
Dinesh,
हजरत निजामुद्दीन स्टेशन पे मैं रात को अकेला था मेरे पास एक लेडी आके बोलती है
Gopal. So are you okay to
मतलब
move for Ahmedabad
ले
location?
वैसे करेगा मतलब मेरे को
Dinesh,
डाइवर्ट
moving you to
करने
the
की
room.
कोशिश
Please
करी
join the
500
room.
रुपये मेरे पास नहीं है भाई मैं परेशान में अकेला छोड़ दूँ और उसके साथ में एक लड़की भी थी
I'll call out the names. I would request you all to please turn on your cameras and be available on the camera in case if I'm calling out. Aman,
लंच हो जाए यार
Annapurna
जल्दी से
Kori.
खाना खा ले 12 केस हुए हैं अभी तो
Annapurna, can you hear me? Sheikh Naziruddin, please switch on your video. 1 second, guys.
रूम वन
Guys, 1 second.
हम चाहें तो अपना कैमरा ऑफ कर सकते हैं ना नेसेसरी